Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be coloring my hair. It's been neglected. I just recently became a mother of 5. We got a sibling set of 3 and then I have 2 kids of my own if you don't already know. But I have told myself, just because you have 5 kids now, you're not going to neglect yourself or let yourself go. Like, they're going to get what they need, but I'm gonna do what I need to do for me as well. So this hair needs to be colored and trimmed, and I'm gonna show you how I do that at home myself. And yeah, I'm probably gonna do these eyebrows as well. And we're going to the NF concert in Atlanta tomorrow, and I'm so excited. It's VIP meet and greet, and I can't wait to meet him. Like, he is my favorite singer slash rapper like ever. Like, if you have not heard of NF, I'll leave his channel links at the end of this video and below. Check him out. He has some amazing music. Like, it's really good. You'll just thank me later. Just thank me later. But anyway, I've got to color this hair, so let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to do an impromptu Sally's haul as well. So this is what I use, the Salon Care Professional Developer. This is the 30 volume cream. I don't like using the liquid. I like to get the cream. And then this is my absolute favorite hair color for years now. This is the one and only Argan Oil hair color, and I get the 3RV, and this one is the dark red violet brown. And yeah, this is my absolute favorite. You get 2 uses out of this. I think it's about $5, but it does have argan oil in it. This is Demi Permanent Hair Color Glossing Cream. And this has 3 fluid ounces in here. It tells you how to mix it and all of that, all the cautions and everything. But yeah, I love this. I highly recommend it. You can get it at Sally's. You can probably get it online, I'm not sure, but this is some good stuff, and this is my absolute favorite color on me. So let's do this. Oh, and I did buy a few more things at Sally's. I'm just going to use a sour cream container. I used to have an actual like hair coloring bowl, but I think I gave it to somebody back when I thought I was never coloring my hair again. But you see how that worked out for me. And then this is my little hair color brush. I think this was like 99 cents at Sally's or something. They're really inexpensive. Next I got these Nail Bliss Magic Press-On Nails. They're like holographic white glitter and then like a light pink press-on nail, and these were on sale for $6.19. I've only tried the Impress press-on nails, so I wanted to try another brand to see if they were as good or better. Next, I'm sure you've heard about Collab all over YouTube if you like makeup, but Sally's has a new brand called Collab. And I wanted to try something from them, so I picked up this concealer. I think they had 2 or 3 different concealers, but this was the Honey Almond No Flaws Liquid Concealer. And then I think they had like a stick concealer and then like a cream concealer or something. I'm not sure, but I wanted to try this one first. And then I got this little Bitsy Bronzer and Blush Duo. This was on sale for 49 cents. Hey. And then this Bitsy lipstick, and this is in the shade In the Nude. I think their packaging is so cute, but I haven't tried anything from that brand, so yeah. And then I got these pretty Destine earrings, and they're like a mint green, so gorgeous. I think these are like $7. And then I got this After Color Treatment by Ion. This is their Color Brilliance. Sorry if you hear my 5 kids in the background. They're playing in the living room with Daddy while Mommy has some me time. So anyway, let's get started on this hair. Okay, so I'm just going to mix the developer. I'm going to put about 2 or 3 ounces and half of that hair color and just mix it really well. Just make sure you're doing this in a well ventilated area. This does get pretty stinky. I know there's other hair dyes that don't smell so bad, but this one doesn't smell great, so. So I'm just going to start applying this to my hair. I just pulled my hair up and I start at my hairline and I go all the way around and down my neck. Well, not down my neck, but you know, like my hairline on my neck, and get that first to make sure that's all covered. And then I start working on the roots and going out to the ends of the hair and just make sure everything is good and saturated and covered. Alright guys, so here is my hair. I washed it last night. I let it air dry, I did not like that. And it is not as dark as it could be because I did have some blonde on the ends. So of course it's still going to be a little lighter on the ends. And I didn't leave it on as long as I normally do. You can leave it on up to 30 minutes. I only left it on about 15 because I didn't want it to be like super dark. You see, it's like really dark up here and then it just gets lighter. But this is my hair. I'm going to trim it now and then style it, put on my makeup, get ready for the show, and I will check you later. But yeah, stay tuned until the end to see this style. So I just brushed it out and now I'm going to divide it into sections and start trimming. This is like the lightest trim you can do. This is the bottom layer of your hair. This is your length. So if you don't want to take any length off, or if you do, this is where you do that. So I don't want to take any length off, so I just brush it out and I trim the very ends. I don't cut it blunt, like straight across. I just like snip the ends kind of like vertically, and just cut off any dead ends, but I don't like cut it blunt and like straight across. And then once that is done, I will go to the next layer, just dividing it all the way up until you get to your bangs, and doing that same technique. Actually not the same technique. Now I will just start, I will trim the ends again. But once I do this, I'll start twisting the hair. And this is a technique I saw on YouTube years ago, probably 6 or 7 years ago. I hate that I can't remember the channel I learned it from because it's been super helpful for me. And I've been doing this for years to trim my own hair. And it works great, especially if you have layers. So you just twist different sections. And you just trim along that twist. Whatever is sticking up, you just trim right there. You just trim it one time because obviously if you trim it, more is going to like pop up, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, and I'm just going to do that all the way up and until I get to my bangs. So if you guys would please excuse my laundry in the background. The pile on the right is dirty clothes and the basket on the left is clean. It's not all dirty, but like I said, I'm now a mother of 5 and I've been super busy, so just please excuse the mess.
once we finish that and you're happy with the results, I'm just going to take some hair oil. This is Octavia. This is one I got in an Ipsy bag a while back. I just run a little bit of that through my hair just to shine it up, and I have a little frizz, you know, I have really dry hair and dry skin, so you know. But next I'm just going to take a razor, like one you use, like a disposable that you shave your legs with. Use a clean one, but I'm going to trim my bangs with this, starting at the brow because my bangs have gotten super long. So I just kind of work it down the edge, and then once I've got it how I want it, I will go along the other side. You'll see how I do that, like this, and then I do the other side the same way. So here's my hair in the natural light. I love this shade. Like, I've seriously been using this same shade for about 7 years now. Okay, so now I'm going to style it. I'm just going to divide it once more and straighten it with my cheese straightener. I've used this straightener for probably 6 or 7 years now. Works great. Highly recommend it. If I can find the link, I will link it below. And I'm pretty sure I bought this at a Sally's like 6 years ago or something. But yeah, just straightening my bangs and straightening my hair. I didn't feel like curling it today, so this is what we're doing.
Alright guys, so here is the completed look for the show, and got my new earrings and my NF hoodie, hair colored. Got all the kids, all 5 kids dressed and ready to go to the babysitter, and me and the hubby, and I think Miss Bradley's gonna actually go with us because my sister was supposed to go but she couldn't make it, so Bradley's gonna go with. So yeah, we're gonna go see NF tonight and I'm so excited. I'm sure I'll have a vlog up of that soon. If you have not heard of NF, check him out for real. Yeah, so I'm gonna fix my nails on the way. I got some gray matte press-ons, and yeah, here is my hair. I hope you like it, and do not be afraid to color and cut your own hair at home. It's really easy and it will save you lots of coin. Thanks so much for watching. I love you and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.